Today we are framing our van.
I'm gonna do one.
It's pretty, it looks pretty.
It's gonna be, you'll see a little red.
Self-explanatory.
I don't know if you can see it.
We can't cut it with something else because that's so loud and aggressive.
Lift it up off the thing. Started before. You'll see the red line. Hey, what's up? What's going on?
Hey, so I'm Tenaj.
And I'm Faustino.
And today what we're going to be doing is framing our van.
We're definitely framing today, and we watched a few videos, and we're going to pick and choose what we want to use from different videos.
Yeah, so before we begin actually framing the van, what we're going to do is we're going to finish up on the insulation. then we are tackling the framing. Actually, we went out yesterday and we bought about 7 2x2s,
4 1x4s, 4 1x8 poplar boards, and then a 2.5-inch self-drilling screws.
So that's everything we'll be using. Now it's time to get to work. Deuces!
Alright guys, so we have these 8 feet 2x2s that we're going to cut in half to 48 inches, and that'll be our top supporting studs for the top of the van. Alright, let's start cutting. So that 2x2 is basically going to go from here all the way across to about right there. I believe we're going to try to put the drill hole right about here. Somewhere right about there. So I just ran a nail through the pilot hole I just created so I can make a mark on the steel inside, so I can go ahead and run my my second pilot hole through the steel. So the nail created this mark right here, and right here in the middle, and right here on the right side, and that's where we're gonna mark our second pilot hole.
Okay, so after what seemed like all day, I finally finished with the insulation in the van. We actually went to Home Depot this morning, and we got some more reflective, and I put the reflective all over the wall. I added some foil tape, and let me show you guys how it looked. Now, I made sure that I put a lot around the windows because I know the windows is going to draw in either hot air or cool air, so I wanted to make sure that I took care of that. So you can see the seal, it goes all around the van, top to bottom. Seems as if Faustino has already made the marks on the wood where the screws are going to go in. So what I'll do now is I'll go and make the holes so that once we put it up there, it'll be easier for the screw to go in. Okay, so what I didn't tell you that I was gonna do is actually put glue onto the 2x2. So we put glue on it because we want it to hold just a little bit more. So we put some Loctite on. We're gonna put the C-clamps on here, and then we will screw in or drill in the screws. And I believe Faustino has, what is it? 2.5-inch self-tapping metal screws. So that's what we're using to drill this 2x2 into the ribs. Let's go. Okay, so okay, you'd have to move that insulation. Wait, is this the one?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. Are you sure?
What number's in your hand?
This is 6 in my hand.
6 is behind you.
I thought so. Okay, cool. So it's this one. It's just that one, really.
Go ahead. And bring him to about the middle should be the M should be right in like this middle hole.
Come see on this side. Come see.
Alright, hold him right there for a hot second. And I expand him. One is good for now. Okay. We'll probably just make sure you push forward. There you go. Alright. Perfect. There you go.
Okay, so here's what it looks like so far. So I just put the 2x2 on the roof, and what we're holding it together with is this C-clamp. Faustino's gonna run out and get another C-clamp so we can kind of put it on this side. We want everything to be flush, or as flush as possible. It looks like we only have one 2x2 to put up, and that's gonna be this one. That's it. We just finished with 7 2x2s on the ceiling, and I think we'll probably take us a lunch break, and then we'll start with the furring strips on the sides. Okay, guys. See you after lunch. So we had to make a quick run to the hardware store. We actually went to Ace True Value this time, and we got some reflective tape. This is the 3rd roll that we'll be using here in the van in order to complete the insulation. I marked this area off, and this area just basically lets us know where we're going to be able to drill into the van. Yeah, since we've already insulated it, we had to kind of go through the van and feel the ribs to see where would be a good spot to put the screws. So yeah. This is what it's going to be. I believe it's going to be 50, but of course we're going to measure it again just to make sure. Remember, guys, we are so not professionals at all, but anyway, we're trying. So now what I think we're going to do is we're going to measure this section. Let's see, I think it's going to be like right here. I bought a 1x8 poplar board, so that's going to go across to about here. So I'm thinking maybe no. Maybe 50? Maybe 50, you think?
Okay, let's see. Yeah, 50 looks like it.
We are going to need 51 inches of 1x8 poplar board. Is it a poplar board or is it a poplar strip?
I don't know. It looks more like a board than a strip, really.
Yeah. Get the hang of this. I mean, you know, it's not rocket science. It seems pretty easy.
Yeah, it's smoking.
I see it. I've been smoking like a train.
I don't know why it's doing that. I've never seen it do that.
Okay, so cool. This is probably the side piece that we're going to need. Okay, so we just cut the poplar strip, the poplar board down to 51 inches, and this actually looks like the perfect side piece that we're gonna use. Let's take this in. Well, no, we're not gonna take this in, actually. We're gonna take this one in. So now that we have finally figured out where we're gonna put the first poplar strip, This is number one. Poplar board, poplar strip. This is number one after 6 hours today and 4 days this week. We finally decided where we're gonna put the first one. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make some, what are we making?
We're making some countersink holes. So we don't have your traditional countersink hole maker, so we're just gonna use a bigger drill bit, and then we're gonna make sure that the head of it fits in the hole. I saw this on a YouTube video, so I don't know what I'm doing. So here we go, bore hole number one.
What is it, bore hole?
Bore hole, it's a countersink hole. Perfect little hole, look at that, perfect little hole. You see that perfect little hole?
What occasion now?
Bam, bam.
We're trying to show these people how to make their van out. We're not trying to show these people anything else.
Well, if you follow how to make a van from us, then. So we made the countersink holes right here. I don't know if you can see them. And now we're gonna go and basically put these 1.5 inch screws into the wall of our van. Smoking?
That is smoking.
I've never seen it do that. Once again, I've never seen it do that.
Look, it's burnt the inside of the wood. It's burnt the wood. This is so crazy.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's the first one. Do the one on the end so I can stop.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and wrap things up. If you can see behind us, Faustino and I just put up the 1x8 poplar, and we put one at the top of the window frame, one at the bottom of the window frame, and I think that's really all we did today.
No, we did
well, I finished insulating. I finished insulating the entire van. I just went around it with reflectic and reflective tape, and I finished that up. We also finished the 2x2s on the ribs of the ceiling. There you have it, guys. So this is day 15 of our framing, it seems like, and hopefully we can get this situated. I don't know, it's like every time I say hopefully we can get this taken care of, it takes another week. So we got those two up. So we're going the right way, definitely. So I think we're gonna leave you guys off with that.
Yeah. All right, we're done for the day.
Okay, guys, so we're done for the day, and we'll see you again in the morning. Deuces! So good morning, beautiful people. Tino is getting everything together, and today what we're gonna do is hopefully we'll be finishing up on the framing inside of the van. Okay, so I don't know if you're able to see, but this is what it looks like on the driver's side. So we finished up all the framing over here. We cut a few 1x4s to size so that they can fit right here in this area, and we just basically framed the window. Then we also added some strips down here. We added 4 strips down here, and this is actually going to hold, I think the seats are going to be here. So I'll let you guys see like a little layout of how we expect it to be or how we want it to be. But in the meantime, let me show you what we're about to start working on. We are going to start working on the passenger side. Basically, the only part that we have to get done is just the part that's going to be right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some 1x4s here. I think we're going to add about 3. So maybe 1 here, 1 here, and one about here. So yeah, I think it's going really good. And it looks like we'll be finished today, and that's always a plus. All right then, back to work. Deuces.
Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness. Take
are finally finished with our framing of the van. Okay, so we're not completely finished because we still don't know exactly how we want to do the bathroom. So we're going to do a little bit more research on that. But everything else besides the bed and the bathroom is completely done. The windows are done. We have the framing for the cabinets and the countertop. And I think that's it. It went a little bit longer than expected, but you know, it's done, and it's done right. Well, let's just hope it's done right anyway. Right?
Yeah, you know, I don't think framing takes this long, but
it took us this long.
It took us this long, and that's okay.
It's our first time. We wanted to make sure we were getting everything perfectly, or at least as close to perfectly as we could possibly get.
Yeah, and then we were still nervous about putting holes in the van and making sure we knew where things were going. So
that's one thing that I would definitely suggest you guys. Make sure you have your layout planned. Make sure everyone is in agreement with the layout, because that's basically what took us forever. It'll save a lot of time. It'll save a lot of frustration. So yeah, guys, make sure you do that. And I think if you do that, then you'll be absolutely okay. Now, hopefully this wall holds up. We are going to, like I said, we're going to do some more research on the bathroom, and yeah, going to move right along.
Yeah. So I don't know how to end this. It's been a real long video for us. It's been a real long 2 weeks. I hate that shadows in the light. That just irks me. I gotta move. That looks so crazy. It's like giving me.
You wanted to go behind, right?
I was just letting you know where the sun was.
Well, look, that's where it's at.
Now you're gonna get that.
No, you just
Come
get
outside
what you
the
get.
fan,
Get what
so
you
you can
get,
light.
and don't throw a fit. Always complaining about something.
Man, is that there? Yes, let me close the door.
Okay, so Faustino wanted to come outside, you guys. He's gonna say about 3 words while we're out here, and then we're gonna end the vlog. So I don't know what the big deal was about, but anyway, there he goes. Go.
That camera thing on my shirt was really bothering me.
5 things. I'm sorry.
That camera thing on my shirt was really bothering me. I don't know, that stuff like that just irks me. But the framing did take a while.
Yeah, we see.
But okay, so I guess we're gonna wrap things up.
See what I'm talking about?
Look, Tenaj is all talking. I don't know why she got me in front of this camera. Y'all know I don't be doing none of that talking.
Anyway, so yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. We use 1x8 poplar boards around the windows. We use 1x4 framing strips throughout the entire van, and that's it. Oh no, we also use 2x2s along the roof.
Right.
Yeah, we use that, and I think that's it. We use 2.5-inch steel tapping or self-tapping steel nails or something
Screws.
like that. Yeah, screws, and our drill and our
Jig.
table
Remember the little
saw?
jig holder? The little
Is that
jig?
a table saw? What is this?
I think that's a circular saw. That's a
I don't
circular
know.
saw. I don't know.
This is not for us, so I don't know
that,
what it
so,
is. Yeah, we use this to cut the wood, and yeah, and Faustino has a new Craig jig, pocket jig
Pocket hole side maker.
mechanism or something. I don't know, but it definitely came in handy. He was able to make the pocket holes in some of the wood, and he learned something new.
And Tenaj used her first big major power tool here. That's pretty. That was pretty cool. How'd you like that?
I am getting used to working with something so big.
That's not gonna be in there because she petted spaghetti.
Okay.
So let's wrap this up because this has been a real long video, or been a real long 2 weeks, and we're still, like I said, when it's still not done, we're like 98% framed.
Yeah,
we're gonna finish
yeah.
framing off camera because it's a lot of small stuff here.
And then if you guys have any questions, if you guys have made it to the end of this video, we definitely thank you. If you are not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see more of our DIY sprinter van videos. And I think that's it, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or whatnot, just leave them below and we'll catch you in the comments. Deuces!